guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing super duper fine. Today's video is all about my skincare, hair care and body care haul from purplle.com. It's going to be a huge and extremely huge haul video from purplle.com, so all the product details will be provided in the description box below. Do check it out, guys. I hope you can already see how much of things that I have inside this, and I'm going to share each and everything with you guys, and it's really heavy. I really cannot hold it for a long time and it's literally shaking, guys. I don't know it's going to fall or not, so let's keep this aside and show you slowly what I have inside this. So please keep on watching and do not forget to grab some food or grab some coffee or detox drink for yourself, because it's going to be a long video. So stay tuned with my video, watch till the end, and if you like it, definitely do hit that subscribe button because it means a lot to me. So let's get started. The first product that I have in my hand is the M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. I think this is one of the most most reviewed product in the year 2020, and it's going to be one of the famous body scrubber in 2021. So I think I'm the last person to review this product, but I am really interested and I'm really eager to try out this as soon as possible. And it is made out of coffee with coconut, so it's also for normal to oily skin type, and the net quantity is 100 gram of product, and this is priced at rupees 449. This also I have purchased from purplle.com. So this is how the scrubber looks like, and they also have a wooden spoon to take out the product. I have just opened the lid and I'm getting that rich coffee smell and coconutty smell, so I am very eager to try out this product, guys. All the review will be coming soon, so stay tuned with my videos and stay tuned with my channel. So this is the second product that I have in my hand. It's the Biotic Advanced Deeply Nourishing Hair Mask for normal to dry hair, and this is priced at rupees 250, and the quantity, it is 175 gram of product, and this is a hair mask, banana hair mask. I was really wanting to try out one of the banana hair masks, so I think this particular product from Biotic is absolutely affordable, and we all know that Biotic products are amazing. They have a super quality, plus it is absolutely pocket friendly. So let's see the packaging. So this is the packaging, guys. It is so eye-catching and has a huge tub. The quantity is also great, plus the price is rupees only 250. So definitely I'm going to try it out and will give you the honest review. I haven't tried out any face sheet mask from Garnier, so this is the first time I'll be trying out a sheet mask from Garnier, and I have total 5 sheet masks in it. So this came in a package like this. Well, I'll be providing all the details and the price in the description box below. This is the charcoal sheet mask. This is the Milky Serum Mask Light Complete Mask, and this is the Hydra Bomb Mask. Next I have the Sakura White Serum Mask, and the fifth one is Hydra Bomb Super Hydrating Purifying Tissue Mask. So there are 5 pair of sheet masks, and it is priced at rupees 495, and these are 154 gram of product. Definitely I'm going to try out all of these 5 sheet masks and will let you know whether it really worked for me and whether it's really worth buying. So next I have more sheet masks from Good Vibes and Miniso, and these are the Good Vibes Korean Cleansing Nourishing Sheet Mask. Next I have the Lavender Sheet Mask, then I have the Chamomile Sheet Mask, White Tea Sheet Mask. Next I have the Strawberry Sheet Mask. So there are 5 sheet masks from Good Vibes, and each priced at rupees 99. And then I have 3 other sheet masks from Miniso. So this is the Papaya Sheet Mask, this is the Honey Sheet Mask, and this is the Aloe Vera Sheet Mask. The Miniso sheet masks, they are also priced at rupees 60. So these 3 are priced at rupees 60 each. So there are a lot of sheet masks that I'm going to try it out and tell you which one is worth buying. The next product that I have with me is the Plum Body Loving Gel Body Scrub Driving Me Cherry, and this is priced at rupees 550, and the net quantity is 200 gram. I have already tried out the Plum skincare products. They are absolutely good quality product, and I am really eager to try out the recent launch from Plum, that is the body scrub, cherry body scrub. I don't know how does it smell. Definitely it's going to smell like cherries, and I can already see the amazing color of this particular body scrub, and really eager to try out this, and cannot smell because they have sealed pack. So when I'm going to give you the review, I'm definitely going to open this and give you the detailed review about this particular product. So this is priced at rupees 550, and the net product is 200 gram. The next product that I have in my hand is from Matra, and I really wanted to try out the Indian made product, so I picked up both of this product from Matra. This is the Date Sea Mud Mask Hyaluronic Acid Infused Matra, and this is the activated charcoal scrubber, argan oil and aloe vera infused scrubber from Matra. So both of the tub contains 100 gram of product, and this is priced at rupees 385. The mud mask is priced at rupees 385, and this one I cannot find the price, but definitely going to give all the details in the description box. So very eager to try out the new brand Matra. Next I have the olive oil from Urban Botanics. This is also an Indian brand, and this is priced at rupees 399 and contains 250 ml of product. So the next product that I have with me is the Maxcare 100% natural and cold pressed virgin coconut oil extracted from coconut milk, and this is a 250 ml of product, and this is priced at rupees 220. The coconut oil has just solidified because it is written here that virgin coconut oil will solidify below 18 degrees centigrade, and it has definitely done its work. So in order to liquefy this particular oil, you need to place it in lukewarm water. Next I have this body lotion from Garnier, and this is the Body Cocoon Intense Moisturizing Lotion, and it is made with apricot kernel oil plus nutritive fruit oils, and this is for body, hands and face. This is a 400 ml of product, and this is priced at rupees 375. Well, it's claiming that it's a 24-hour nourishment. So basically I want to try out body lotion which will absolutely keep my skin hydrated for 24 hours long, and just had picked up this particular product because the packaging and the color of this particular product really attracted me. So I'm definitely going to use this and will give you honest review. Next I have with me the shower gel from Nivea. I really love this shower gel because I have already tried out one of this shower gel, and they really smells amazing and makes my skin so smooth and so soft, and keeps my skin moisturized throughout the day, and keeps that fragrance and that smell intact in my body. They have 3 different flavors here, like Nivea Water Lily, Lemon Oil and Frangipani. I really cannot pronounce this particular word, Frangipani, if I'm not wrong. Like 3 of them came in one pack, and it's a combo offer from Flipkart. I'll provide all the details in the description box below. Do check it out, guys. And each of the bottle consists of 250 ml of product, and in a whole they are priced at rupees 695, which is absolute deal. Next I have with me the Nivea Aloe Hydration Cream Refreshing Moisture Care. This is a 200 ml of product, and this is priced at rupees 270. So it's a huge quantity at this price. Next I have in my hand the Nivea Skin Refining Scrub. This is a 150 ml of product, and this is for normal skin type, optimal freshness and moisture balance, vitamin E and Hydra IQ. So I am very eager to use this scrubber from Nivea. I haven't tried out any product as such from Nivea, so this is the first purchase from Nivea, the skincare products that I have purchased from Nivea. Both men and women can use this, so basically this is an unisex scrubber. Next I have with me the Wish Care 100% pure and natural rose water from Kanauj rose water steam distilled. This is a 200 ml of product, and this is priced at rupees I don't know whether the price is written here or not. No, I am not getting the price right now, but definitely I'm going to link it in the description box. And this is the absolute original rose water, as they are claiming. I haven't used this brand before. This is the first time I'll be using this brand, Wishcare, and this is an Indian brand. So I have already said you guys that I'm really wanting to try out more and more Indian brands. So yes, let's try out this and we'll give you the honest review whether it is absolutely worth it or not. It's winter and we need to take care of our feet, right guys? So this is the VLCC Natural Sciences Pediglow Foot Care Kit. I really wanted to try out this product since a long time, and this is priced at rupees 550, and the net content is 200 ml plus 100 gram of product. So I am really happy, and they have all total 4 products inside. Next I have another product from Nivea, and this is the face wash honey for dry skin and cleanses and nourishes. This is the face wash from Nivea, and this is priced at rupees 175 and contains 100 ml of product. So I've got a lot of Nivea products, so we'll definitely review all of the Nivea things. Next I have with me Organic Harvest 6-in-1 face wash, oil control, cleansing, lightening and brightening, rejuvenating, nourishment, prevents moisture loss, sulfate free. This is 100 gram of product, and this is priced at rupees 225. But let me tell you guys, all of the products that I have purchased are absolutely sulfate free, paraben free, cruelty free. They are not tested on animals, plus they are absolutely herbal and organic, so it's not going to give you that bad effect after using this. So they are absolutely good for your skin. Next I have this Chotu Sa parcel from L'Oreal, and this is the L'Oreal Paris Revital Lift Crystal Micro Essence for bright and crystal clear skin. Salicylic acid, oh my god, they have some huge good reviews about this particular product. So this can work as a toner, so it is absolutely on a pricier side. I'll not suggest you to buy this, but if you want to try out, you can definitely purchase this because it works amazing on the skin. As per the reviews I'm telling, I haven't tried out yet, but I'm definitely going to try it on my skin and will let you know. So the L'Oreal Revital Lift consists of 22 ml of product, and this is priced at rupees 225. Next I have the combo offer from Good Vibes. I have the Good Vibes Papaya Brightening Face Wash. This is 120 ml of product, and this one is priced at rupees 195. Next I have the Good Vibes Papaya Glow Face Mask. This is a 60 gram of product, and this is priced at rupees 235. Next I have the Good Vibes Papaya Brightening Light Gel Cream, and it contains 50 gram of product and priced at rupees 249. And then I have the Good Vibes Papaya Rejuvenating Scrub. It contains 50 gram of product, and this is priced at rupees 195. So I have purchased all of these 4 products from Good Vibes in an combo offer. We'll try out these products from Good Vibes and we'll let you know whether it's really worth buying or not. So next I have with me my favorite brand, that is Biotech Advanced Ayurveda Bio With Germ Youthful Nourishing Night Cream for normal to dry skin. I have already used this particular product. I have finished one of the tub, so this is my second purchase. So it is priced at rupees 230, and it contains almost 50 gram of product. This is the Biotech Advanced Ayurveda Magic Kisses Lip Balm. This has SPF 20, translucent lip color, 12-hour moisturizing. I must say that it's not 12-hour moisturizing, it's a 24 hours moisturizing, and this is a berry crush flavor. This is priced at rupees 150 and contains 4 gram of product. Recently I am facing a lot of hair loss problems, so I want to try out this hair mask, which is absolutely famous in YouTube and Google. Lot of other YouTubers have already reviewed this product. I think I'm the last person to review this, but nevertheless, let's try out and let's give you the honest review from my side, because after all, it's my hair, my skin, my body. So I'm going to use the products and I'm going to see whether it really worked for my hair or not. So this is priced at rupees 599. This particular product is absolutely paraben free, sulfate free, and absolutely organic and herbal. The tub really feels so lightweight, and it is a 200 gram of product. I don't know how much of product are there inside. With the Mamaearth, I have got a complimentary gift from Mamaearth, that is the oil free face moisturizer with apple cider vinegar. This is also for acne prone skin, and paraben and silicone free, light and non-greasy, non-comedogenic, and this consists of 25 gram of product, and this is priced at rupees 99. Next I have with me the Good Vibes lemon lip scrub. This contains 8 gram of product, and this is priced at rupees 125. Well, I have already used a lip scrub from Alana that was a choco nutty flavor. Those of you who haven't yet checked that particular video, the link will be in my description box below, and there's an I button going out here. You can click that too for watching out that review. Next I have this Stay Quirky makeup remover balm. Nowadays people are using more of makeup remover balm instead of using micellar water and cleansing milk. So I am super eager to use this particular makeup remover balm. This is from Stay Quirky, and this is priced at rupees 349, and this contains 30 gram of product. I'm really not very satisfied with the quantity that they have given. It's a very small tub, but let me just open and see. This exactly smells like rose water, guys. Last but not the least, I have the VLCC Natural Sciences Almond Honey Deep Moisturizing, Nourishing and Skin Brightening Body Lotion. Well, buy one get one free. Well, this was a combo offer. I think I have purchased this from Flipkart or Amazon. I have just forgotten. Well, this is priced at rupees 275, and so guys, by this I end this extremely huge skincare, hair care, body care and food care haul from Purplle, Flipkart and Amazon. So my box is totally emptied, you can see, guys. So thank you guys for watching me. I hope you really enjoyed today's huge and extremely huge haul video, and if you really did, then please do comment down below, because your comments and your likes inspires and motivates me much more to create some amazing video for you guys. And just stay tuned with my channel, stay tuned with my videos, and if you really enjoy watching me and my content, then please do hit that subscribe button, because it means a lot to me. And do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.